Welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're going to be taking a look at a pre-owned 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD work truck. Summit white paint with a jet black interior. Under the hood you have a 6.6 liter gasoline V8 engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Let's jump right in, take a look at all the different features that this vehicle has to offer. First we'll go ahead and take a look at the interior. You have that jet black finish on the door panel, as well as along the dash at the front of the vehicle, the center console and the seats. Storage on the bottom of the door panel, as well as power windows, mirrors, and locks. On the panel next to the steering wheel, you have your several different driving modes, as well as your interior and exterior lighting controls. Black cloth bucket seats with manual controls located on the side. Inside the vehicle, on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control. The entertainment display has your audio. This will be AM, FM, and Sirius XM radio. Phone settings, if you want to connect your phone via Bluetooth, and several other settings for the vehicle and the display itself, as well as Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. A few more radio controls below the screen, as well as the home button. Climate control has your temperature gauge, fan speed, and air conditioning controls. A little further below, you have a few outlets, as well as a few more controls, including your power tailgate, your hazards, hill descent, and your traction control here. Center console has your dual cup holder at the front. A few storage compartments throughout here as well. You can open that up for more storage space inside. Up top you have the rear view mirror, of course. You also have some interior lighting controls located above you, and just in front of the passenger you have a storage compartment above the glove box, so there's some storage space in the front if you need it. Moving on, we'll go ahead and take a look at the exterior. You have that Summit white paint, the Chevrolet logo in the center of the grille with the bow tie emblem in the corner. Black accents along the bottom of the front bumper with your front recovery hooks. Aluminum wheels with the bow tie emblem in the center. Black trailering mirrors with your integrated turn signal and blind spot mirror at the front there. Black door handles and assist steps that run along the side. An integrated bed step for easier access into the back of the truck from the side, and the corner separator bumper for easier access from the back. The back has the Chevrolet emblem across the center in black. We can open up the tailgate here. You have plenty of storage space in the back. Cargo tie-down locations at each corner. And the Easy Lift tailgate helps make it easier to close when you're all done. Finally, we'll go ahead and take a look at the interior in the rear. You have the same jet black finish you had in the front, the black cloth seating as well. You can lift the seats, giving you access to more storage space in the back. And on the back of the center console, you'll find a couple of air vents for the rear passengers. Thanks so much for joining me as we took a look at a pre-owned 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD work truck. If you liked the video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel so you can get more video reviews just like this one, and we hope to see you in the near future.